Are you looking for the best VPN to set up on your mobile or system and want to try Express VPN? Then this video is for you, because in this video I'm gonna clear all the doubts and questions about Express VPN.
Thank you. Thank you.
You can also ask why Express VPN only. By the end of the video you will get the answer to that question also. And if you want to get a huge discount on the Express VPN subscription plan, then link is in the description box below. Tadaa! So hello guys, welcome to Privacy Papa. On our channel you will find everything about VPNs and cybersecurity tips and tricks. So without any delay, let's get started. ExpressVPN is one of the best VPN providers in the market, started by two close friends named Peter and Dan in 2009. It is used by 3+ million users around the globe in 180 countries, available in 17 languages. It has 3,000+ servers in 94 countries with 24/7 support, handled by professionals in over 20 major cities around the globe.
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, it's killer.
Installation process of ExpressVP is very simple and easy. Download the ExpressVPN for your device, install it on your device, log into your credentials or register using your email ID. Choose your preferred server location and connect to that.
Easy.
Now let's talk about the features of ExpressVP. As I already mentioned, the number of servers in 94 countries is 3,000+. You can use the same login credentials on 5 devices simultaneously. Talking about the free trial version, it is available for 7 days for iOS, Windows, Mac and Android devices. No logs policy is strictly adhered by ExpressVPN. If we talk about the interesting part, that is price, then the monthly plan of ExpressVPN costs $8.32 per month for a 1-year subscription plan. If you go more than that, you can get it cheaper as $6.67 per month. ExpressVPN unlocks Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, iPlayer and other streaming websites whichever require IP address. The support system of ExpressVPN is available in FAQs, emails, 24/7 live chat also. Kill switch is available and the refund policy of ExpressVPN is 30 days. Like if you do not like ExpressVPN within 30 days, you can get all your money back by cancelling the subscription plan. The maximum speed it can provide is 135 Mbps. OpenVPN, Lightway, IKEv2 and L2TP/IPsec are the VPN protocols ExpressVPN uses. Now the discount coupon for ExpressVPN is available in the description box below. If you do not know what are the benefits of a VPN, let me summarize some of the basic benefits of a VPN. Browse privately with encryption method so that no one can track you back to your location and steal your data. Hide your location and avoid tracking. It blocks the unwanted ads against malware attacks. You can get access to the blocked website on your college or school Wi-Fi network. And you can also stream the content without worrying about tracking and censorship. So by noticing these benefits, you have understood why ExpressVPN is one of the best VPNs in the market and is loved by many users.
I am impressed.
Now here is the table for you to compare between different VPN platforms like ExpressVPN, Subshark VPN and NordVPN. In this list, I have compiled number of servers in countries, simultaneous connections, free trial version, no logs policy, price, platform, unblocking the websites, support system, kill switch, refund, speed and VPN protocols. So that is all you need to know about ExpressVPN. I hope you have cleared all your doubts about ExpressVPN by seeing this video. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, subscribe to our channel, put a comment for more informative videos like this. Thank you.